Rider. Noun. One who rides, often a horse or motorcycle. Rider. Noun. An amendment or addition to an entertainer's performance contract, often covering a performer's equipment or food, drinks, and general comfort requirements. Rider. Noun. A small, sliding piece of aluminium on a chemical balance, used to determine small weights. Rider. Noun. An old Dutch gold coin with the figure of a man on horseback stamped upon it. Rider. Noun. A small forked weight which straddles the beam of a balance, along which it can be moved in the manner of the weight on a steelyard. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.